That was pretty good. That was definitely good. Winning combo sets 1, total combo sets 1. 1 for 1, that means I won.
Are AI ball machines actually worth it? What's going on, guys? My name is Josh. I'm a former Division I tennis player. I'm a current practice partner with the pros. And today we are reviewing the Pong Pace S Pro AI tennis ball machine. I'm not gonna lie, growing up, I was very skeptical about using ball machines. They were pretty antiquated. The big clunky ones that all the tennis clubs had didn't seem very useful. You could program it a little bit, but you had to go to the other side of the court, put in a sequence, run to the other side and hope that it did what you wanted it. A lot has changed in about 20 years since I last used ball machines. Also, ball machines are clearly a lot more portable than they used to be. This guy has a handle much like a suitcase, so you can roll them around. It's still kind of heavy, but relatively portable. And the technology in this is honestly really, really cool. We're gonna review it today on court and test some of the functionality. So a few key features of the PongBot Pace S Pro AI tennis ball machine. This guy has over 564 programmed drills that are built in. It can feed balls up to 80 miles per hour. Average pro forehands on tour from the top players in the world are not usually more than 80 miles per hour. This also has the ability to feed at as low of an interval as 1.5 seconds. Pretty fast and honestly on par with real point play. It also has 8-hour battery life with a interchangeable battery that you can just plug right into any wall. So very easy for charging. It's also Bluetooth. You set it up with the app. We're gonna go through how the app works and all the different functionalities within the app. Now, the biggest differentiator with this is the position-aware technology. It has sensory tracking technology using sensors that you put on the net and sensors that you put on your body to see where you are on the court. All right, so these are the 3 sensors. Jesus. All right, so these are the 3 sensors. We have these 2, which you place on the net just along the doubles alley on either side. And then this 3rd one is gonna go somewhere in my body. So I'll either clip it to my hat or to my shirt. Doesn't really matter, whatever's comfortable. I like doing it on my hat. And there's some really cool drills that you can do with this as a result of that technology. There's a recovery trigger where it won't feed the next ball until you've recovered to the middle of the court. All right, what I'm really stoked about are these recovery trigger exercises. So let's try combined exercise, recovery trigger, baseline forehand backhand with topspin. It's just gonna go forehand backhand, but it's only gonna feed once I recover to the middle of the court. We'll go combo set of 5. So this should be 10 balls, right hand dominant, and we'll keep it sequential. Let's test it now, except I'm not gonna move. So let's see if it knows that I haven't recovered. Yeah, it's not gonna go until I'm recovering. That's pretty awesome. So this sort of simulates like a coach, you know, that's training you or feeding you. They're not gonna really feed it to you unless you're ready for the next ball. There is adaptive rallying, which is very cool. It'll basically hit you where you are not. All right, now we're gonna try the topspin adaptive rally. So topspin, adaptive rally, difficult level, 3 stars. We'll go 5 minutes. I mentioned there's hundreds and hundreds of drills. You can also make custom drills. Now let's go over some of the program drills that are built into the app. So you have classic drills and you have NTRP drills. So the NTRP drills you can set based on your rating. So this is very good for beginners, obviously. The classic drills have basic, combined, and complex. So basic would be more of a forehand backhand or just working on one shot. The combined is obviously some combo of shots, and the complex is even more complex. You can have baseline balls followed by approach shots, volleys, recovering back, overheads. It's really almost an endless amount of different scenarios that you can practice with just from the built-in program drills. Now, what I really like about the drills in this app is it shows you the sequence that it's going to do. So if you look at like a forehand, backhand drill, it'll show you, forehand, backhand, but how many it'll do in the sequence. You can set each drill for a time limit or number of sets. So if I want to do 5 sets of this sequence, or if I want to do it for 5 minutes, you can also set the difficulty level, so 1 to 3 stars. You can have it be sequential or random. So you can get very specific within each drill, which is very cool. This type of ball machine is starting to act a little bit more like a coach and less like a heartless, cold ball machine that is just gonna keep firing balls no matter what.
All right, let's try this match prep. We're gonna do baseline, forehand, and backhand narrow. Training time 1 minute, 10 balls per combo. Let's see if I can beat it. That was pretty good. That was definitely good.
So this thing also holds quite a few balls. My basket of balls is about maybe 75. When I fill this up, it's not even close to filling this whole container. So more than enough balls. All right, so I just finished with the Pongbot Pace S Pro Tennis AI ball machine robot. And honestly, it was better than I expected. My favorite part about it, hands down, is the vision sensory technology. The recovery trigger is really accurate. It will not feed another ball until I am back and recovered into the middle of the court. I tested it a few times and it wouldn't budge. The fact that it has over 500 preset drills is nice because I do like the ability to customize a drill, and I think face value, it sounds really cool, right? You can make any custom drill you want. So in theory, you could do anything. That's kind of overwhelming. I actually like having a preset list of different types of drills that I can just choose from. There's more than enough drills to choose from. And then also the match play was very fun. Not gonna brag, but I did win. Growing up, I never would have thought that a ball machine would have this much value. I think this is a great purchase for anybody that is an adult playing tennis and needs more people to hit with, and you can't always find somebody. The Pongbot's a great option. If you wanna drill and work on things specifically, you don't always wanna drag your friend out to work on drills. So it's nice to have a portable AI ball machine that I can use whenever I want. Hopefully pro players have enough people to play with, but it can certainly simulate that level ball with 80-mile-per-hour feeds, a lot of heavy topspin. I mean, it has the capabilities to deliver at every level of the game. So if you think about it that way, I think it's pretty worth it. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think about this product in the comments, and also if you've used it and what your experience is. AI has made it to tennis. There's no denying it.